Can you say and spell your name for us?
Dorianne Bell White, and it's Dorianne Bellwhite.
And you say your son, does he work for
He's the volunteer
He's with
South Point volunteer.
Talk to me. You came here. Why come here?
Because I wanted to see, what was going to happen with Mr. Wilson. I would like to have him off the streets. I mean, I have seen him do things to other people. My ex-husband and I were driving down the road, and he has put bright lights on us from the rear and from the front. He has brake checked us. He has shot at my son's vehicle. He's just harassed the community, and I would like to make sure that he stays behind bars.
As a member of the community, how threatening is it to have one person do something like this?
It's scary. I mean, when my son came home and said, hey, Mama, somebody shot at my truck, and he gives the general area, and then you find out that other people have been shot at too. And he's shot at the fire trucks on multiple occasions too. I've heard of a time where it shot the mirror, but they couldn't prove that it was him. So it's good to have him put behind bars and stuff. And I've been at the fire department where he's come up into the fire department with his lights on, shining it at us and taunting us. So, I mean, he needs to be placed where he belongs.
Seeing that those handcuffs, him walking out in an orange jumpsuit in handcuffs, what went through your mind?
It was a big relief, but you kind of are nervous to know that he may be put back out in the streets and stuff. And the smirking like he's not done anything wrong, I mean, that affects you, You just want him, to suffer the consequences.
Makes you angry?
Yes.
An attorney described it as a vendetta he has with the volunteer fire department. Do you know where this stems from?
I don't.
Okay.
And you said he brake checked you. What happened? What was that situation?
Well, when you're driving down the road, I guess this is part of his videos where he just has like these lights that are on the vehicle, and then he steps on his brakes to kind of get you to like hit him or something. Like he's just, and you don't know him. I didn't know him before now. I didn't know him before my son became a volunteer. So I don't know where, he has done this with the community, but if you've ever looked at his videos on YouTube, it's not just the volunteer firefighters or the city firefighters, it's everybody.
How long has your son been on the volunteer fire department, and has it been hard for him to continue, was it hard for him to continue after he got shot at?
No, it's not hard for him to continue because he wants to continue doing what he loves to do, and that's serve the community. But he's been on there probably about 4 or 5 years. And he loves it, so I don't think he would change it. I mean, that's, you can fight a fire and your life is in danger, so, it's just part of it.
The fact that he had his brights shined at you, and then your son also, I mean, it's generational.
Right. I mean, it's to the whole community. It's not just to us or anybody. I don't know the guy personally. I know where he lives, and that man has a spotlight out on the road all the time, and he's videoing people. It's just crazy.
For people who've never been in that situation, hadn't lived there, don't have a neighbor like this, can you kind of describe how frightening it is to live around somebody who does these things?
You just try to live your life as he's not there, but yeah, I mean, every time you pass his house, I mean, you have to pass his house. If you don't, you have to go like 10 miles around, and so you take that chance and hope that he doesn't shoot at you. But
How much safer do you feel driving along South Point Road now that he's in jail?
I feel great, driving down the road and knowing that he's behind bars, because you know that you don't have that chance of, him shooting out at you. I mean, he has an RV that sits out there, and he has it to face the road to where you can go to each side, either the driver's side or the passenger side, and shoot out at people. That's scary. I mean, you never know when he's out there and in that vehicle doing that.
And you said, did he ever confront you guys? He brake checked you. Did he ever confront you?
No, he has never confronted us, but on the videos, he has confronted other people.
Have you been on his YouTube channel because of
I have looked because I wanted to see what was going on, because of all the stuff that you hear. I wanted to know what this man was and what he was like.
So I mean, was your vehicle on it? Like,
yes, my old car was on there, where he has passed by, and then the red truck I don't know that that video is there.
I mean, how scary is that, having your license plate number, your vehicle, all that, on YouTube for the world to see if they wanted to?
It is very scary. I mean, because that's the license plate that I drive with every day. But, hopefully other people are not, looking at that.
Let me get the spelling of your name one more time. I just missed that.
Dorianne. And then my middle name is Bell, Bell, and the last name is White.